Before you go in this video, I'll show you how to go live in to StreamYard to YouTube Connect. So to do that, where is my screen? Hold on a second. New project. So create new. Wait, I'm not sharing my screen because I don't want to get trouble. Okay? When I'm ready, I'll show you guys. Is it working? So when you go live and right here, show your camera. I don't know why I have second camera. It's weird. You could turn the camera on you want. You also have two options. You can put a second one for your streams. In case you're gonna go live in StreamYard, this will show you how to go live in StreamYard. So to show you how, just click on go live button by using the blue button. And there you go. This is how you go live in stream. It says it all. And that's in this video and this is how to go live in StreamYard to connect to YouTube. So this video to show you how easy it is. So I have the link in the description. I have a pay plan in the description below in this video. So check it out. So I hope this helpful. Please subscribe to Rob05. I'll see you in the next video. Keep subscribing and making more videos. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.